Have you heard about the house flipping platform that just exploded by over 200% in a month while the rest of the market was shaking? I'm talking about Opendoor. This stock went on an absolutely wild ride, rocketing from under $1 to nearly $5, all thanks to a huge wave of retail investor excitement, almost like a meme stock frenzy. But after that insane run-up, the stock has started to pull back. So that leaves us with the million-dollar question: is this a golden buying opportunity, or is it a giant red flag telling us to stay away?
I'm not saying we're going to figure out how to make money along the way. We will make money. We have some couple of good bets already. We'll launch more of them. I'm not saying I have a hope and a dream of profitability. It's very much a for-profit company. We'll figure it out. Businesses should not exist to make money. Businesses should make money to deliver on a mission. And those are important things. We are a mission-driven company and we'll make a profit such that we can deliver on our mission. And the shareholders will be happy, buyers will be happy, and sellers will be happy. But that's the goal. I'm not saying oh, I don't know how to make money. I know how to make money here. What I'm saying is the mission is more important than the money.
Let's look at the numbers, because they are just staggering. Over the last month, Opendoor soared about 164%, jumping from around $1.70 to a high of $6.85. And just last week alone, it was a stunner. The stock closed at $6.65 a share, surging almost 50% in just 5 trading days. That's 5 straight days of gains, even while the broader market was struggling with inflation news and fears about interest rates. So, what on earth caused this massive rally? A huge part of it was investor Anthony Pompliano, also known as Pomp. He wasn't just talking about being bullish on the stock. He put his money where his mouth is and actually doubled down on his position. That sent a massive signal to retail traders everywhere. He's not just cheering from the sidelines. He's betting big on Opendoor's future. The stock immediately responded with a surge in confidence and momentum. At the same time, you have other influential voices like Eric Jackson, keeping the stock buzzing all over social media. He even met with the co-founder
Keith Rabois
and shared that there's some serious frustration with the current board being too cautious. This has turned Opendoor into more than just a stock. It's become a movement. The big idea is that with bolder leadership, the company could unlock some truly explosive growth. Some people are even whispering about targets as high as $50 a share if the company starts taking more risks. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. There are still challenges ahead. The big question right now is whether Opendoor can hold its ground above that $6 mark and start pushing towards the next resistance level at $7. But the potential catalysts are lining up. There's a new CEO appointment on the horizon, and potential interest rate cuts from the Fed could give the entire housing market a much-needed boost. What this whole episode proves is that retail investors, when they get organized, have the power to move markets in a big way. 5 green days, a 50% jump, and a growing army of believers at S. Pretty clear that the Opendoor army is just getting started.
For more information, visit www.immaam.com.